I think we're okay. Shut it off, shut it off, shut it off.
I'm Sarah, and this is Travis. We've moved 7 times in the last 6 years and are currently renovating our 3rd house with our 3 boys and our Old English sheepdog. Follow along as we renovate our house and raise our boys. That's him. Subscribe and join us on our next adventure.
Hey guys, we are back from our trip and back in the swing of things. I had to take care of a few just normal house things like getting sprinklers turned on and doing repairs, and I got a couple loads of dirt to re-level out some areas in the backyard, and I didn't film any of that because I figured it was boring. But I'm back in here now, and I have prepped this new plumbing that I'm running as much as I can without shutting off the water. Wait a second. It's Corona. Anyway, I have ran as much and connected as much plumbing as I can. Before our trip I did all that. Now I have just cut the pipes, and I wasn't really able to show you that because it's down in here really in a goofy spot. Soldering these new end caps, which I'll show you. This is a fitting that turns copper into PEX. So soldering on this new end cap is gonna be tricky. There's not a lot of room down there, and I have to be careful not to burn any of my drain pipes or whatever else I got going on down there. So anyway, I'm going to be soldering those connections right now and then finishing running my PEX, connecting all that up. I have already shut the water off to the house and made those cuts, and that's what I'm doing. First thing, I need to find some sort of little heat shield. So I'm going to go look in my garage for something I can use for that. Okay, I've made that connection there. And over here. Now I need to wait for that to cool just a little bit, and I'm going to run some of these connections while I'm waiting. Sorry, the camera shut off and I got a little ahead of you guys. But I've done all of the plumbing down there, connected the bathtub plumbing, and I'm just finishing connecting this shower plumbing right here. Okay, so I made a little dumb mistake here. I made this line too short. I need to get a little adapter for this to just lengthen that. I also didn't get any PEX caps for my rough-in. So, and it's like 10:30 at night, so Home Depot and Lowe's and everything's closed. So I'm going to have to put the exact valve in this instead of doing the rough-in, and I'll just have to change that later. But yeah, I'm gonna put the valves in now, and then I should be able to turn the water back on. Okay, moment of truth here. Yeah, but I want you to turn it really slow. Get ready to shut it off fast if I need you to. Okay, so far so good, but just go real slow. I think we're okay. Shut it off, shut it off, shut it off. Yep, shut it off, I got a leak. Well, I got a leak, but it looks like it's on one of my PEX connections, not on one of my soldered connections. Oh, it's not even tight. How did that not blow off? I forgot to tighten one of my PEX connections. That's so crazy. Honestly, I'm super relieved and super lucky that didn't blow off. I forgot to do one of these PEX connections. So that's actually pretty interesting. My main connection, I didn't tighten down my PEX ring, and all it did was spray out like a tiny little stream of water that was happened to be shooting right up here at me. Didn't blow off the pipe. That could have been bad, 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 bad. And the good news is it's on a really easy spot to get to. Okay, ready to test again. Hey Sarah, will you call me and go do that again? That's really surprising. I thought for sure that would have blown it. Oh no, oh no! That was my fault. I left the valve open. So keep going real slow. Okay, now stop. Just let that pressure build up. Cool, I can see the water come up. Definitely not leaking in that same spot anyway. I think we're in the clear. Well, that was a little exciting. So I'll just come back and check this here in a little bit and make sure there's no water anywhere. That's done for tonight and virtually done with this plumbing. I can hard frame this all in now. Alright guys, plumbing's all done, no leaks, good news, right Link? Right now we are about to seal up this floor. We haven't been able to do that yet because I had to run some pipes and make connections. And so all these 2x4s and everything are just loose on there. But now we can seal this up, do some framework and stuff, and that's what I'm gonna do right now. And Lincoln's gonna help. I already cut this to size and cut a hole out.
So make sure you blocked, okay?
Okay, I'm gonna need Link. I'm gonna need my pencil. I'm gonna need screws.
Alright, pencil.
I'm gonna need my zip gun. I'm gonna need a caulk gun.
Alright.
And just mark where our studs are so we know where to put screws.
Alright, now I'm going to Dad. Why do you want to have it squeak, Dad?
We don't want it to squeak.
So after I put in caulk down? Oh, that thing's falling off. Go get it out. Why do you need 2 pieces? So it's super strong.
Maxie, hi! Did I scare you?
Oh, you drew my foot a time.
Say, hi camera, I drew on my foot. My name is Max. It's been like a week since I last drew on my foot. And I had another slip up.
What is slip up?
Like mistake. Say, I'm a recovering marker drawing addict.
Addict?
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 Okay, Maxie.
I need to get out of this.
Okay, so now we want to glue this down so that it doesn't squeak when you step on it. Although you'll never step on this one because the tub's in the way.
Yeah, but you still want it to squeak, right?
No, you don't want it to squeak.
Yeah, like when you're
What are you thinking?
like when you're in the tub, it might squeak.